Welcome to our guide on making effective strategic business decisions. In today's fast-paced business world, the ability to make sound choices can set a company apart from its competitors. Strategic decisions are not just about quick fixes, they shape the long-term direction of your business. Throughout this video, we'll explore the essential steps, tools, and mindsets needed to make decisions that drive success. Whether you're a business owner, manager, or aspiring leader, these insights will help you navigate complex choices with confidence. Let's start by understanding what makes a decision truly strategic. Strategic decision is a choice that has a significant impact on the overall direction and success of a business. Unlike routine or operational decisions, strategic decisions involve long-term planning and often require considering multiple factors, such as market trends, competition, and internal resources. These decisions are typically made by top management and can affect the entire organization. Understanding the difference between strategic and operational decisions is crucial for effective leadership. Now, let's look at why these decisions matter so much in business. Strategic decisions are the backbone of business growth and sustainability. They help organizations set clear goals, allocate resources efficiently, and respond proactively to changes in the market. Without a solid strategy, businesses may struggle to adapt, lose their competitive edge, or even fail. By making thoughtful strategic choices, leaders can guide their teams toward shared objectives and long-term success. Next, we'll explore the key steps involved in making effective strategic decisions. First step in making any strategic decision is to clearly define your objective. What are you trying to achieve? Setting a specific, measurable goal provides direction and helps you evaluate your options. Whether it's expanding into a new market, launching a product, or improving efficiency, a well-defined objective acts as a compass for your decision-making process. With your goal in mind, you can focus your efforts and resources where they matter most. Once your objective is clear, the next step is to gather all relevant information. This includes market research, financial data, competitor analysis, and internal performance metrics. Accurate and comprehensive data provides the foundation for informed decisions. By understanding the current landscape, you can identify opportunities and potential risks. Remember, the quality of your decision depends on the quality of your information. With your data in hand, it's time to identify possible courses of action. Strategic decisions often involve choosing between several alternatives. Brainstorm different approaches, considering both conventional and creative solutions. Involve your team in this process to gain diverse perspectives. The more options you generate, the better your chances of finding the most effective strategy. Now evaluate each alternative based on its potential impact, feasibility, and alignment with your objectives. Consider the pros and cons, costs, benefits, and risks of each option. Use tools like SWOT analysis to systematically assess strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This structured approach helps you make objective comparisons and avoid bias. After careful evaluation, it's time to make your choice. Strategic decisions often require courage and conviction, especially when the stakes are high. Communicate your decision clearly to all stakeholders and explain the reasoning behind it. Transparency builds trust and ensures everyone is aligned with the chosen direction. Decision is only as good as its execution. Develop a detailed action plan, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines. Monitor progress regularly and be prepared to make adjustments as needed. Effective implementation turns strategic choices into tangible results. Remember, flexibility is key. Be ready to adapt if circumstances change. Once your plan is in motion, regularly review outcomes against your objectives. What worked well? What could be improved? Learning from both successes and failures is essential for continuous improvement. Encourage feedback from your team and stakeholders to refine your decision-making process for the future. Leadership plays a critical role in strategic decision-making. Effective leaders inspire confidence, foster collaboration, and create a culture of accountability. They are responsible for setting the vision, making tough calls, and guiding their teams through uncertainty. Strong leadership ensures that strategic decisions are executed with commitment and clarity. Strategic decisions are rarely made in isolation. Involving your team in the decision-making process brings diverse perspectives and expertise to the table. Open communication and active participation lead to better solutions and stronger buy-in. When everyone feels heard, they are more likely to support and execute the chosen strategy. Analytical tools like SWOT analysis, pest analysis, and financial modeling help structure your decision-making process. These tools provide a systematic way to evaluate options, anticipate challenges, and measure potential outcomes. By leveraging data and analysis, you can make more informed and objective strategic decisions. Every strategic decision involves some level of risk. The key is to balance potential rewards with possible downsides. Assess risks carefully, develop contingency plans, and be prepared to act if things don't go as expected. Smart risk management allows you to pursue opportunities while protecting your business from major setbacks. In a rapidly changing business environment, agility is essential. Stay alert to new information, market shifts, and emerging trends. Be willing to pivot your strategy if circumstances change. Agility enables businesses to seize new opportunities and respond effectively to challenges, keeping them ahead of the competition. Clear communication is vital throughout the strategic decision-making process. Keep all stakeholders informed about objectives, progress, and changes. Transparent communication builds trust, reduces misunderstandings, and ensures everyone is working toward the same goals. Make communication a priority at every stage. No decision-making process is perfect. Mistakes and setbacks are inevitable, but they offer valuable learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your approach, and apply those lessons to future decisions. A culture that embraces learning from failure is more resilient and innovative. Let's look at a practical example, a company considering expansion into a new market. The leadership team defines their objective, researches the target market, evaluates risks, and considers various entry strategies. By following a structured decision-making process, they choose the most promising approach and implement it successfully. This case highlights the importance of each step we've discussed. Another example involves launching a new product. The company gathers customer insights, analyzes competitors, and brainstorms product features. After evaluating alternatives, they select the best design and marketing plan. Regular reviews and feedback help them refine their approach, leading to a successful launch. This demonstrates the value of data-driven, collaborative decision-making. Sometimes, the fear of making the wrong choice can lead to decision paralysis. To overcome this, set clear criteria, limit the number of options, and trust your process. Remember, no decision is risk-free, but inaction can be more damaging than a well-considered mistake. Take action with confidence and learn as you go. Collaboration brings together diverse skills and perspectives, leading to better strategic decisions. Encourage open dialogue, respect different viewpoints, and build consensus. A collaborative approach not only improves outcomes but also strengthens team cohesion and commitment to the chosen path. Technology can greatly enhance strategic decision-making. Use data analytics, project management tools, and communication platforms to streamline processes and improve accuracy. Staying updated with the latest tech trends gives your business a competitive edge and supports smarter, faster decisions. Ethics should always be part of strategic decision-making. Consider the impact of your choices on employees, customers, and the wider community. Make decisions that align with your company's values and reputation. Ethical leadership builds trust and long-term success. Strategic decisions often lead to significant changes within an organization. Manage change effectively by preparing your team, communicating clearly, and addressing concerns. Support your employees through transitions to ensure a smooth and successful implementation of new strategies. To know if your strategic decision was effective, establish key performance indicators, KPIs, and track progress. Regular measurement helps you stay on course and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate wins and learn from setbacks to continuously improve your decision-making process. Feedback from customers, employees, and stakeholders is invaluable. Use it to refine your strategies and make better decisions in the future. An open feedback loop ensures your business remains responsive and customer-focused. Strategic decision-making is an ongoing process. Regularly review your strategies, learn from experience, and seek ways to improve. A commitment to continuous improvement keeps your business agile and competitive in a changing world. Foster a culture where strategic thinking is encouraged at all levels. Empower employees to contribute ideas and take initiative. A strategic culture drives innovation and ensures everyone is aligned with the company's long-term vision. Let's recap the key steps for making effective strategic business decisions. Define your objective, gather data, identify alternatives, evaluate options, make the decision, implement the plan, and review outcomes. Each step is essential for achieving your business goals and building a resilient organization. Effective strategic decision-making is a skill that can be developed with practice and dedication. By following a structured process, involving your team, and staying open to learning, you can make choices that drive your business forward. Keep refining your approach, embrace challenges, and lead with confidence. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better business decisions.